Understanding, time for review. Enhancing your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very useful and common phrase you might encounter in various contexts. Time for review. Understanding this phrase is crucial for language learners like you because it pops up in educational settings, work environments, and even in casual conversations. Let's break it down together. The phrase, time for review, signals that it is the moment to look back at, analyze, or evaluate something that has been done or learned previously. The word, time, indicates a specific moment or period, while for suggests a purpose or reason. Review is the key part here, meaning to examine or assess something. Together, the phrase is a call to pause and reflect on past actions, decisions, learning materials, or performances. In educational settings, in schools or online courses, time for review could mean revisiting topics covered in a class before a test. It's a way for teachers to ensure students understand the material and for students to solidify their knowledge. At work, in a professional context, this phrase might be used during performance evaluations, project summaries, or before making significant decisions. It's a prompt to look at what has been achieved, what could be improved, and how to proceed. In personal scenarios, personally, you might hear or use time for review when reflecting on personal goals, decisions, or habits. It's a reminder to take a step back and evaluate your progress or choices. 1. Set clear objectives. Know what you aim to achieve during the review. Are you checking understanding, evaluating progress, or making decisions? 2. Be thorough. Don't rush. Take your time to go over the necessary materials or actions. 3. Encourage feedback. Whether in a learning environment or at work, feedback can offer new perspectives and highlight areas for improvement. 4. Act on insights. Use the review as a stepping stone to make improvements or changes. Learning from the review process is key. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, time for review. Remember, reviewing is a powerful tool in learning, working, and personal development. It's not just about looking back. It's about moving forward more wisely. We hope this video has shed light on how and when to use this phrase effectively. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.